Jai Radical, I'm a general. I'm a general, yeah. Okay. The circle small, keep me same on links. Me no want no new friends at all. The circle small, so me think from a smile. I me see them click, me call. The circle small, I me see them all dog them. See them bad charge them. Where we growing at this same old yard way.
Alright, so hi guys. So this video is about this hair that I'm wearing. Now listen, I feel like a newbie all over again with these hairs, and I have a new style of making the wigs. I know I'm thinking of excuses, but you guys can see this, right? You guys are like seeing that, okay. Alright, so let me just bring it in front. I still come, Jonathan. I still come. I'm making a video. I still come. Right, so so this hair is from AnnaBelle. I am no stranger to working with AnnaBelle, and this hair is their Brazilian Wavy. Now this is how I expect Brazilian hair to feel. It has a lot of body, so it has body, it's luxurious, it's nice. The only thing, my only issue is the closure. As you guys can see, the closure has a different curl pattern than the rest of the hair, and that's because I wand it last night. Because the closure, when I finished with the wig, the closure just fell completely straight. The closure fell straight. It looked like I got straight hair instead of wavy hair. So it came with this curl pattern in the package, but by the time I got to the closure, it just fell straight. So this is the other curl pattern of the hair. So as you can see, it's a loose wave, a very, very loose wave. So the closure has a different curl pattern than the rest of the hair because I want the closure and a little bit of the 14-inch. So I'm wearing a 12-inch closure, 14-inch, 16 and 18-inch. 18 is the longest, and 18 is catching me at my boobs, and that is long for some hair. Let me sit like this. But yeah, Sumi, I don't know if you guys know Sumi, formerly the Island Beauty, I just say if I'm wearing the hair, it's good hair. I'm not going to waste my time and make a wig and make a video for a hair that's of no good. And because I've worn AnnaBelle already, I know that I love this wave pattern. Because I've worn AnnaBelle already, I know the quality, and the hair is always good hair. I'm always satisfied with AnnaBelle. The only issue that I've ever had with AnnaBelle is the closures. For the Brazilian kinky curly, the closure was dry and it didn't keep a curl. And for this one, this closure, it's just really weird, you know. The closure is just really weird. The closure literally fell straight. But that's it. I have nothing bad to say about this hair apart from the closure. I have some more flex hairs, but I don't know where they are, because I'd love for the rest of the hair to have this curl pattern. It's very nice. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I will not go long, I will not go in depth at all. I do have a tutorial on this look. I've been pumping out a lot of tutorials for the next 2 months. I'm challenging myself to do a video every other day. Fingers crossed. Let's see how that goes. It's hard. I'm almost done with the February. And I'm just now, I think I'm on the 1st of March already. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you to AnnaBelle who sent me this hair to review. You guys know, you guys have really, really good hair. I'm always a happy customer when it comes to AnnaBelle, and again, this hair was sent to me. So the links of the hair will be in the description bar below, as well as the website where you can just buy anything that you want to. And they have pictures of other YouTubers and like other customers who aren't YouTubers on there. It's pretty cool. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Fret not thyself because of evildoers. I get tired, hear them attack about poor. Wonder if them ever have to sleep on the floor. Wonder if them ever cut a carbolic soap in a 4-piece for me. Peace.